If sound is not working on your Android phone, don't worry. Let's fix it step by step. First, press the volume up button on your phone. Make sure the sound is not on mute or silent. Next, check Do Not Disturb mode. Open Settings, tap Sound and turn off Do Not Disturb if it is on. Now, restart your phone. Turn it off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. This can fix small problems. After that, check if your phone is connected to Bluetooth. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth and turn it off. Sometimes sound goes to earphones instead of the speaker. Also, check the speaker hole. Make sure it is not dirty or blocked. If sound still does not work, open Settings, go to Apps, choose the app with no sound, tap Permissions and allow microphone and audio. That's it. Your Android sound should work again. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more easy phone tips.